really goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift.